Welcome back to my channel. This is Albert, and this is Albert's Easy Gourmet Kitchen. Not really, we're in my living room. So welcome back. It has been a very, very long time since I've uploaded a video to this platform. I've been teasing for a while that I would come back with videos, and if anybody is even watching anymore, then thank you for watching this. There's been a lot of changes in my life. Most notably, I've lost over 100 pounds. Not an easy feat to accomplish, but I'm very, very happy, and I'm much healthier than I was a few years ago. Other changes is that, a very big change is that Bradley, my beautiful little Boston Terrier, is no longer with us. And that was a very big moment in my life when I had to say goodbye to him. But it also made room for this precious little creature. This is Harvey. So he will be our co-star for any future video that may be put up on this channel. To speak a little bit about this channel before we get to the video, and I promise you that there is a recipe at the end of this video. That is what this is about. But to talk a little bit about this channel, I abandoned it a few years ago because, quite honestly, work just got in the way. Work became more demanding. My position at my my current job changed, and I had more responsibilities, and I was doing a lot more for the school that I work for, and I had different commitments to our students and to our faculty. So it became really difficult to make videos and also do my duties as in the new position that I was in, and that I'm currently in. So I'm hoping that I'm able now to balance the two so that I can go back to making some videos. The other thing is that, look, I am not delusional. I am not in any way, shape, or form an expert cook. I am just a guy who is trying to figure this out. I'm trying to stay healthy. I'm trying to do things that keep me in a good frame of mind and allows me to be creative. And that's one thing that I've realized that I need in my life, is to be creative and to have a creative outlet. So I also, from the very beginning, wanted this channel to be a record of my life and of my moments and of how I like to show love and to show nourishment and care for my friends and my family. So that's why these recipes are up here. It's because I love to take care of people. I love to nurture people. That's how I express love. And this is a hopefully small little letters to my family whom I love dearly, and my friends who are the world to me, and I hope that you'll get to meet them in future videos. So hopefully you'll get to meet them and see more into that side of my life. And for anybody who's out there who's thinking, oh, I'm lonely, or oh, I don't have a way of getting healthy, and I want to serve as a little bit of an example, because I've gone through depression. I've gone through real low times where I haven't been the best me that I could be, and my journey to becoming healthier was not just about my body, but also about my mind and about getting myself to a better place. And I am at a much, much better place. So hopefully I'll make more videos, and I'll put them up here. Schedule, I don't know. I don't know about schedule. I don't know when I'll put them up. I don't know. I'm still figuring that out. I'm gonna play with a lot of stuff. Things have changed since the last time I made a video with a little, vlog camera. So there's a lot of new technology out there that I want to experiment with making these videos. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope that you come along this journey and just check in from time to time. Please subscribe, please share this with friends, please comment, all those things, turn on notifications, do that, whatever it is that you have to do in order to come back and visit and talk. Please, I want to hear from you guys. I want to know where you're at, and correct me if I do things that are wrong, because I'm just learning. I'm just figuring stuff out for myself. All right, I've been talking way too long. Let's get to the video. Let's get to the recipe. This is a simple, quick little edit. It's not a full-out recipe video. It's just a way of me getting my feet wet again. So I hope you enjoy it. So here it is. Goodbye, and remember to, what did I used to say? Eat healthy and live healthy, or stay healthy and be healthy. Just be healthy, all right? Goodbye.